Let's get started with today's Monday morning message. Your 20-minute cure to Monday blues. Today, I want to be speaking about my clothes aren't drying. What should I do? Hey guys, welcome to a new Monday. Welcome to a new week. Welcome to a new Monday morning message. Like I said, I'm going to try and get to you every Monday with a fresh message from my heart from here at the ashram where I'm staying at for the next 7 months. Having said that, every week I'm going to try and share with you something that I learned, something that I reflected on, and that's the message that I'm going to share with you. So this week I want to talk to you about a message, and it's rather a question. You know what it is? My clothes aren't drying. What should I do? My clothes aren't, yes, these clothes. So guys, let me tell you what happened. After coming to the ashram, I have started to wash my own clothes. And washing my own clothes I've done before, but I always had a washing machine. This is the first time for a consistent period of time I have to wash my clothes with my own hand. Put, the Surf Excel or whatever detergent and scrub it, put it on drying on the hanging wires. So there's no dryers or machines. We have to do it with our hands and we have to hang it on the wires to dry. And it's something that I'm also struggling with. It's one of the more challenging physical tasks that I've done in a while. Washing clothes is no joke, guys. If you guys know people who wash clothes with their hands, much respect for them. You should try it yourself. You will know what it is. It's a struggle, especially if you got white clothes and it got stains on it. But regardless, so washing clothes has been crazy experience for me. Having said that, my clothes aren't drying. What should I do? I checked yesterday. I put these clothes on to dry on the hanging wire about 2 days ago and they aren't drying, guys. There's monsoon season here in India. There's humidity in the air and hence the clothes aren't drying. What should I do? I'm so confused. And I looked. And you know what I mean when I say clothes aren't drying. That's a metaphor for situations in life where we want something but it's not happening. Where undesired situations, where some rifts, some frictions are happening. Where you want something to happen, it's not taking the course. You worked upon something, you washed, you scrubbed, you did everything and you're waiting for that end result. You hung it on the dryer and you're waiting for it to dry up so that you can wear it again. You can feel that joy. But sometimes clothes don't dry. That's what happens. Why aren't the clothes drying? Well, because it's monsoon season. It's monsoon season, there's humidity in the air. The time is not right for the clothes to dry immediately, so quick. The first few days I got here, there was a lot of sun shining and the clothes dried like that. Like I put it in the morning, evening they were dry. And lately, it's been 2 days and still there's dampness in the track pants that I washed. Well, this week, folks, I was asking myself, today, clothes aren't drying, what should I do? And what do you think the answer is? For me, the answer I got this week, the big theme for me has been patience. All you gotta do is wait. You just gotta wait. The weather's gonna take care of it. We're hand drying it on the wires. And the weather is gonna change. There is not gonna be monsoon the whole time. There's not gonna be humidity in the air the whole time. I can already see the sun coming out today kind of, and I know the clothes might get dried. So the weather will change. All I have to do is wait. Patience. It's a game of patience. I literally have to do nothing but wait. Clothes aren't drying. What should I do? Answer is, Naren, wait. If your clothes aren't drying, don't throw them away. Wait it out. Those aren't for cheap. It's not so easy. All you got to make note of and decide is if these clothes are worth keeping. And if these clothes are worth keeping, you better wait. You don't throw them away, especially if they're designer clothes. Shiva, the Indian god or deity, also who represents nothingness or the vast emptiness of the cosmos. They say if you want to reach that state of Shiva within you, when you want to experience the vastness of the whole universe within you, all Indian deities have a consort with them. A consort is an animal that accompanies them. And for Shiva is Nandi. Nandi is a bull. Now these can be taken literally or these can be taken in a story form. Nandi is a bull. And the quality of a cow or a bull and that species is they can wait. They can be patient. Have you seen a cow or a bull just graze grass all day? Not in a hurry, just patient. A bull can wait forever, it looks like, right? And that's the idea, that you have to have the quality of patience and waiting to be able to access Shiva or the vast nothingness. Anyways, that brings to the story here. if I want my clothes dry, if you want a certain situation to happen, if there is a friction happening in a certain situation, there's still dampness and you want it to go, sometimes all you got to do is just wait. Just wait. That's the game, guys. Emotional turbulence can be happening in your life. For me, when I came to the ashram, it was really tough to be away from my loved ones, to be in a place where I'm not used to doing so many things, to be in a place where there was a lot of physical, mental, emotional stretching. This place is about growth. And hence, a lot of patience was required for me this week. I've been taking it day by day, day by day. Sometimes I feel like, I should just get back home. I should run away. What's the point of all this uncomfort? But folks, waiting is the name of the game. Patience is the key. And so, this is to remind you and myself, when the clothes aren't drying, when there's still dampness, when the results are not there, when you're still going through a tougher time, all you got to do is wait. Because the monsoon will change. It will happen. No matter what you say, what you think, what you do. Change is the only way life is. And life will change. Wow. I thought I should share this message with you because it was coming straight from my heart. Clothes aren't drying. What should I do? Some of you might be working on your body, might be going to the gym for a long time, and you're like, I don't look this way, or I don't feel this way, etc., etc., etc. Guys, if you keep at it, as long as you scrubbed, as long as you put in the effort, and you hung the clothes, just wait for the results. Be patient. Of course, if you didn't wash your clothes, you can't expect it to dry. But this is the game of patience. Now, some of us, what we're doing is, if the clothes aren't drying, what do? Do we throw away our clothes? Do we like, they're not drying, let's throw them away, or put them away? What do? Just wait. When clothes aren't drying, you wait. You're in a relationship with somebody, you're in a marriage, your friend you had an argument with. And there's rough phases in a relationship. There's times when vulnerabilities come out, when fears come out. That's not the time to abandon. That's not the time to be like, I can't do this, let me go. A lot of people are like that. First instance, oh my god, I can't do this, let's go. Let's throw away the clothes. Let's get new clothes. Well, you will always keep changing your laundry, spending money, but you will never have dry clothes and a sustained set of clothes. And hence, in relationships too, you might be going through a rough phase. There are phases. You might be going through ups and downs. Are you willing to wait for the clothes to dry? Are you willing to employ patience in your relationships? Are you employing patience in bettering your body? Are you employing patience in feeling okay with your emotions going up and down? Guys, be patient with yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. I've noticed this with myself. Sometimes I can be so hard on myself too. Everything needs to be done quick. I need to make these changes ASAP. But the name of the game is patience. When the time is right, the fruit will ripe. When the time is right, the clothes will dry. When the time is right, we will make it happen. So this week, for those of you who wanted to hear out, patience is the name of the game. If your clothes aren't drying, all you got to do is just wait. It's easy, sounds easy, tough to do, but it's the name of the game. Patience. Much love, guys. I'm always happy to be here live Monday 9 a.m. India time with you guys, sharing a new message. And I can't wait to continue that.